Takas Mansion update. Ayan. Train a little bit. It's bad. Bad for the health. And also, the sand from Buwak is delivered today. So, Brad Alex will will filter it tomorrow, I think, so that we will have sand for tiles. Ayan. And Takas Mansion update, we have additional. Ayan. This is our additional po. Ayan. The tree house. Ta-da! All the walls are complete. Just need to be layouted by bamboos. And also the roof. I think that's nipa. Ayan. At least 1 week preparing for the roof. Earlier they are installing the flooring all in bamboos. Ayan po. That's the third deck. We will have a second deck here, another floor. Also, we will have a hanging bed here. Ayan, that's the plan. And then this is open for renting. Ayan. For inquiries, please find Don Takas. Ayan. Okay, let's go to the Takas Mansion. Ayan. Let's go here. Foyer. Let's see the foyer. It's being painted. Sir, anong kulay yan? Sugar dust? With sugar dust. Ayan. Ba't maliit na roller? Ayaw mo na malaki? Oh, the big roller have swollen, ano ba yun? On the tracks. Am I right? Please bear with me. Ayan. Bear with my English. Okay. They are working here at the master bedroom. Ayan. Mas umigi naman ngayon. Then, sir, the painter will just make a lighter smoke gray. It will be put here, and then tinge gray, then sugar dust. Yeah. All right. The grills are being woodinized. Woodinized, you know. Ayan. All right. Then let's see the top. Yeah, but ayan na. And they ran out of patience. They waited too long to paint that, so there it is. closer. Sir Ronnie said that I think he would the canopy po will stay white, because if it will be colored like that, brown, it cannot be seen. So ayan, they covered a little bit of the canopy. Look, we have spectators. Ayan na. Yeah, I'm going a little bit far so we can see the whole picture. Ta-da! I told them if they hit the spandrel with the color brown, that we have a paint to retouch the spandrel. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Ayan ate, as you requested, 8 minutes. Babush!